Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates, we don't come with fresh reports wey we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say one countryman wey dey go by the name Dr. Festus Akande, he na the Director of Information and Public Relations for the Supreme Court. He na don come outside the yarn say the Supreme Court go fix a hearing date for the suit wey dey filed by 11 governors of the People's Democratic Party challenging the declaration of a state of emergency for Rivers State after their Easter vacation. Dr. Festus now dey let men dey know say the Supreme Court dey go take up the matter immediately after the court resume, immediately after the court just come back from their Easter jolly. According to how the talk dey come outside from the mouth of Dr. Festus Akande, wey be the Director of Information and Public Relations at the Supreme Court. He say you know very well say Supreme Court dey on vacation now, but when the justices dey return at the end of the month, a hearing date will be fixed for the matter. And the suit now wey the 11 governors dem file for court now, the mark na SC/CV/329/2025. The suit now dey question the constitutional authority of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to suspend a democratically elected government in any state. The governors now dey also challenge the decision of our President to appoint a sole administrator to govern Rivers State. And no forget, on the 18th day of March, our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu true declare a state of emergency for inside Rivers State, and he can still suspend the governor wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara plus his deputy wey be Ngozi Odu and all the elected members of the Rivers State House of Assembly for an initial period of 6 months. Then subsequently, he can appoint the retired Vice Admiral Ibok Ibas as sole administrator to oversee the affairs of Rivers State during the suspension period. Now, in response to the things wey our president declare for inside the state, sake of say they are not happy, sake of say e no sweet them for belle at all. 11 governors wey dey under the umbrella of the People's Democratic Party, and the state wey these men dey govern na Adamawa, Enugu, Osun, Oyo, Bauchi, Akwa Ibom, Plateau, Delta, Taraba, Zamfara and Bayelsa State. All of them together dem file a suit against the Attorney General of the Federation wey be Lateef Fagbemi, and the National Assembly, which is the Green Chamber and the Red Chamber, and that na the Nigerian Senate and the House of Representatives. And for this suit, so the plaintiff, which is the governors, they ask the Supreme Court to determine whether under Section 1(2) plus Section 5(2) plus Section 176 plus Section 180 plus Section 188 and Section 305 of the 1999 Constitution, whether our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu gets the legal authority to suspend or even interfere with offices of a governor and deputy governor, and even go as far as to go replace them with an unelected nominee under the guise of a state of emergency. Make Supreme Court now explain how is it possible. Make Supreme Court throw more light, make them too they understand, and possibly make the National Assembly and our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu plus the Attorney General of the Federation then realize say yes, they don't do wrong for inside we nation Nigeria. Also, the plaintiff, which is the 11 governors, they also want the court to decide whether under Sections 1(2), Section 4(6), Section 11(4) and (5), Section 90, Section 105 and Section 305, whether our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu go fit lawfully suspend a state house of assembly in similar circumstances. These men now want to know, these men now want to understand what's going on in our nation Nigeria. Additionally, the suit dey raise concerns about the alleged threats of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu conveyed through the Attorney General, saying go suspend elected governors and their deputies, arguing that such actions may violate constitutional provisions and undermine the principles of federalism. That is the plaintiff dey yarn now say, say the kind threat wey our president dey make he supposed to dey make that kind threat, saying go suspend governors and their deputies. The PDP governors dey argue say this kind threat normally e no make sense at all. If a president last come dey take all these kind actions, e no get as e wan be. e go violate constitutional provisions and e go undermine the principles of federalism, and e dey go against the democracy wey men dey preach about. Now I believe say countrymen go wan see how dis matter dey play for inside court. Countrymen go wan observe the legal battle, but last Dr. Festus don come outside come yarn dey give the general public, including the men wey file the case for the Supreme Court, say make dem do the calms. Say after Easter, the judges go return back from their Easter jolly and dis matter so dem carry come, dey go address all of dem. And my good people, be rest assured say anyhow the matter take play for inside court wey the legal battle don finally start, or if e be say update dem burst out even before the matter start, Anointed Lady TV go make sure say the informate, the report, the update reach the general public. And anyhow dis matter be you for body, or if e be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment inside our comment section. But meanwhile, me still get to report for table wey I still need share give the general public. And the koko be say on Wednesday wey be the 2nd day of April for inside this year, so wey be 2025, our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, after he don suspend men for inside RI0US state, after he don plaster state of emergency, baba come enter plane, he come fly go Europe, and as he stay there small, he come proceed, he come stroll enter the United Kingdom. And that time the presidency bin no wan tell the general public the reasons why our president travel go abroad, but later men come dey hear talk say our president travel for medical treatment. And during this while, so he bin no dey the country, men na come dey talk, men na come dey yarn say how come our president no dey country, he suppose to dey here now, dey lis ten to the cries of countrymen. Say for the northern states, jaguda men dey do jaguda activities and our president no dey the nation. E no nice at all. Check of this complaint, the presidency come outside say make dem no panic at all. Say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey outside, but he still dey do the things wey he suppose do as a president. That is, our president now dey do remote presidency, he dey do remote leadership. But however, my good people, as I'm talking to you right now, the #1 citizen of we nation, Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, don return back to this our green country after a 2-week trip to France and the United Kingdom. And no be lie, even before now, the special adviser to our president on information and strategy wey be Oga Bayo Onanuga, he bin don address the concerns about the absence of our president, and he come dey assure men, he come dey yarn dey give country people say last our president go arrive back with nation Nigeria on Monday wey be the 21st day of April for this year, so wey be 2025. So last our president don arrive, he don touch down the green country, he don touch down the country wey he be the president to. And this my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby na to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. So now if you be say you like this update and you would like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, na go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey come back with more news, me dey come back with more reports, me dey come back with more updates for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.